R. Sudha, Congress MP is with me. Ma'am, how serious do you think this incident is? If this can happen with a member of parliament, do you think that this can happen to a common man? What would be the plight of that?
So everywhere is crime against women. Every minute, every second is happening. Today happened to me. It's a highly shock. I went walking morning around 6 o'clock in highly secured area. That is every place is there embassy on the way. Lot of embassy are there. This particular incident happened in Republic Czechoslovakia and Poland embassy nearby. The women, what I thought this security area, this highly secured area, embassy is very safety place. Then we can walk in the morning. Then we are walking on the way. That person came. Opposite side is coming. I am very shocked and thinking why he is coming. Then I try to give the space to him to move. Then he snatched my chain and he tore my clothes. Then we are shouting, please, please help me, help me, help me. So few people are also walking. Everybody afraid to come near to me because all people are Delhi people. Why they are afraid? Because they know the crime against happening every minute. They are afraid to rescue common, co-citizen. So there is a safety for women in this country. Double engine is failure, sir, for safety of women in this country.
Did you got hurt while
Yes, here, I got a small hurt, and I have pain here also because he pulled me like this, tried to pull me. I came for medical aid in Parliament, and Madam Leader Sonia Priyanka ji taken me to the hospital and taken me to the Speaker office to give a complaint. Speaker assured us he take an action immediately. Let's see whether he'll take an action. So many incidents, so many things, but we are not realized what is happening in this country.
Have you filed a police complaint?
Yeah, I given the complaint to the Chanakapuri police station.
You usually walk at this area in the morning?
Yeah, I usually walk. Fast 10 days only I am walking. Usually walk inside the government guest house, Tamil Nadu guest house. I thought okay, we'll go this embassy area, highly secured area. There is no problem will happen. I thought
when you shouted, does the people around you came and helped you?
Some people are jogging, some people are walking, some people are watching, standing and watching what is happening. That is a shock. This will not happen in Tamil Nadu. Anything happen, somebody will come and rescue me. It's happening in headquarters Delhi. All the human being, my colleague citizens are watching. It's very shock.
One message to the Home Minister, because Delhi Police comes under the Home Ministry. Your message to the central government who runs the Delhi Police.
So, government should ensure the safety and security of the women, of each and every woman in this country. Everybody have a right to live this life peacefully and safely. So this government should ensure safety in this country for the women. Not only women MP should give protection to every woman. But the only mouth saying words, safety, security, women are security. But my feeling is there is a safety for women in this country.
Any update on the thief, ma'am? Has he been caught yet?
No, I didn't get any updates, sir. So far, I didn't get any update. It's a matter of gold chain, this and that. Safety of women is involved in this case.
Is it shocking for you, ma'am?
Yes. Highly shocking. Because highly secured area, that is. Highly security area, it's the embassy area. What other country think about our country? They could not give security for women. How can this country give security for other country embassy?
And that to a member of parliament.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Congress MP R. Sudha was robbed this morning in the Chanakyapuri area, and she is in a complete shock. She has not got any information from the Delhi Police as to whether the thief has been caught yet or not. This is Aishwarya Jain from the Parliament for NDTV.